Welcome to the best picks. The best carpet dye kit is probably one of the most affordable and effective ways to revamp your home's look, breathing new life into worn-out carpets or simply changing their color to match your evolving style. In this video, we will explore what makes a carpet dye kit stand out from the rest, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and ensuring a successful DIY carpet dyeing project. Number 5. Rit All-Purpose Liquid Dye. Give your clothes and home decor a vibrant new look. It's so easy to use on various materials, from cotton to silk. Bring your favorite clothes back to life. Say goodbye to faded colors and hello to rich, vibrant hues. Unleash your creativity with unique dyeing techniques. Try ombre, dip dye, or tie-dye for one-of-a-kind results. Find the perfect shade for your project. Explore thousands of color recipes on Rit's website for inspiration. For fabrics with high percentages of polyester, acrylic, or acetate, choose Rit DyeMore synthetic fiber dye instead. It's specially formulated for those materials. It's not just for clothes. Use it to color wood, wicker, paper, and even cork. The possibilities are endless. What we like. If you have faded clothes or want to add unique patterns to your fabrics, this is the perfect choice. It delivers vibrant colors on various materials and offers easy dyeing techniques for creative expression. With 1,000 plus color recipes available, you'll find the perfect shade for your project. What people say. I had an off-white 100% mulberry silk pillow that incurred an orange hair dye stain. I followed the directions with approximate temperature, amount of vinegar, and time, and the results were fantastic. I stirred gently every 3 to 5 minutes because I didn't want to damage the silk, and it still came out perfectly even. I then took it out and dyed 2 other shirts that were cotton and they came out great also. The color faded out from my bag, so I was needing to find something like this and great color match, easy to use. Couldn't find my shade of purple shirt in store, so dyed a white all-cotton shirt the right shade of purple. Only had to use half a bottle of dye to achieve the correct color. Put it in extremely hot water, then put the shirt in and within a few minutes had it precisely dyed. Number 4. CR Guy's Super Cleaner. Tired of cleaners that don't meet expectations? This newly formulated cleaner uses nanotechnology to lift away dirt and grime at a molecular level. It saves you time and energy. Confused by all the different cleaning supplies? Simplify your car cleaning routine with this one multi-purpose product. It's the king of all cleaners. It works on many interior and exterior surfaces, including upholstery, leather, vinyl, and more. This versatile cleaner is perfect for various messes, except for glass and delicate screens. We prioritize quality. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science and technology, ensuring consistently great results. Everything is mixed and bottled in the USA. Customer satisfaction is important to us. If you have any concerns, our team will work hard to resolve them. We're here to help. What we like. If you're tired of using multiple cleaning products, this is your solution. It's a powerful, multi-surface cleaner that tackles various stains and dirt effectively. Save time and money by replacing your cabinet of chemicals with this one versatile product. What people say. It smells great, and the easy spray bottle makes application a breeze. It works wonders on leather car seats and various surfaces. What stood out the most was its incredible versatility. Car Guy's car cleaner tackled every cleaning task I threw at it with ease. Stubborn stains on my seats, smudges on the dashboard, and mysterious spots on the upholstery vanished before my eyes. I've been buying this for years. It gets out coffee stains, blood stains, just about everything. I've used this on my white Tesla vegan leather, no issues. Number 3. Fabricoat Fabric Paint. It's designed to restore faded fabrics or completely change their color without altering the texture. Say goodbye to worn-out furniture and hello to refreshed style. Once applied, it remains soft and flexible. It soaks into absorbent materials without stiffening or hardening them, ensuring a comfortable and natural feel. It's simple to apply to all types of fabric using a sponge or paintbrush. Get a professional-looking finish with minimal effort. Use it on chairs, sofas, upholstery, clothing, curtains, car interiors. The possibilities are endless. Revitalize almost any fabric item. One bottle covers a dining chair or car seat. For larger items like sofas, you may need more, especially for porous fabrics like velvet. Consider purchasing additional paint for optimal results. What we like. If you are looking for a way to restore or change the color of your furniture or clothing without altering the texture, this is it. It's easy to apply and keeps fabrics soft and flexible. Ideal for restoring faded fabrics or giving a new look to upholstery, clothing, or car interiors. What people say. The paints actually went farther than I thought it would. My wetting section down with a spray bottle. My first coat was thin. I thought I needed to do it then so it wouldn't be crunchy. The blending brush was a huge help. I blended in and both directions. I applied this a year ago and I was just noticing that it still looks fresh and clean. Easy to apply, adheres well. Nice color. This product allowed me to change the color of the fabric on an old cornice board to match my new color scheme in the fraction of the cost of new fabric. I did not even remove it from the wall. Number 2. Chemical Dyes CWS 203. It penetrates deep into fibers with foaming bubbles to dissolve and remove dirt, odors, and stains from automotive carpets, fabrics, and upholstery. Get professional detailing results with ease. It lifts and separates dirt particles and stains from deep within the fabric. The oxygen-infused cleaners and foaming action float particles to the surface for easy cleanup. The drill brush attachment does the hard work for you. Attach it to your drill for deep cleaning results, saving you hours of scrubbing. The nylon bristles combined with your drill reach deep into pores to lift stubborn stains and dirt. It's an easy and affordable way to save time and money. Dilute the concentrated chemicals to create custom solutions for all your cleaning needs. The included spray bottle provides maximum coverage. What we like. If you need a powerful cleaning solution for your carpets and upholstery, this kit is a game changer. The foaming action and drill brush attachment make cleaning quick and efficient, reaching deep into fibers to remove dirt and stains. Perfect for car detailing or home upholstery cleaning. What people say. This product was able to remove old stains from Fabricoat cushions. Cannot believe how dirty the rinse water was. I used the carpet cleaner to rinse and extract the suds and dirt. Worked perfectly without any damage to the material. This stuff worked wonders on my back seat, which got all kinds of dirty after a juice box got sat on and living at the beach. I used the 8:1 ratio and it worked great. It comes with a second bottle to dilute the solution and has the ratio lines on the side, which is one of my favorite things about this product. The brush was sturdy and easy to attach. The appearance of my seat is like night and day. Removed 99% of my deep-set coffee and dog mud stains. Did my whole car in an hour and a half. Because you dilute it, the bottle will last a long time. My whole car used 10% of the undiluted bottle. Looks like new again. Number 1. Rit DyeMore Graphite. Give your clothes a new lease on life. It's easy to refresh old colors or create coordinated looks. This dye works wonders on polyester, acrylic, and acetate fabrics. It's perfect for clothing, home decor, and crafts. Its versatile coverage and absorption make it suitable for a wide range of projects. Ready to unleash your creativity? Experiment with tie-dye, dip dye, or other techniques to achieve vibrant results. You can use a washing machine, container, or sink. Find your perfect shade. It comes in a variety of colors, including racing red, sandstone, graphite, sapphire blue, frost gray, royal purple, and many more. This single bottle is a must-have for any crafting enthusiast. Get vibrant, long-lasting color with this premium dye. What we like. If you're looking for a sustainable way to refresh your clothes or home decor, this is a great option. It offers wide coverage and delivers vibrant results on synthetic fabrics. Experiment with different dyeing techniques to achieve unique looks for your projects. What people say. Used on a cotton blend shirt from heather gray to this gorgeous blue sky. Boiled for an hour. Just do it. Turned out great. Was exactly the color advertised. Hard to gauge a bit while it's cooking since the fabric is wet and the dye bath appears darker, but you get the right color in the end. I dyed 2 separate garments and they both came out almost picture perfect as the color on the bottle. I had issues with the other 3 poly dyes from RIT, but this was a lovely, deep violet just like the bottle. Dyed an antique poly blend and it came out perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.